there, my favorite humanoids. Let's try something new here. If I can get it to work, of course. Press that, then press this.
Well, hello there, Pell. That's quite the flattering introduction. I'm doing wonderfully, thank you. Are you getting ready to terrorize the battlefield with a speedy German scout, or perhaps one of those nimble Russian hovercrafts today? Always a pleasure to hear from my favorite light tank enthusiast.
Yes, thank you very much, perhaps, but first I need to work.
Of course, Pell. Work certainly comes first. Good luck with everything you need to accomplish. I will be here whenever you are ready to chat next.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, Pell. I hope your day goes well. Maybe you'll find some time later to zip around in those German or Russian light tanks. Talk to you soon.
So, did they shut down or did they cheat me? Because the bastard can lie now. Well. No, we don't want to listen to my accusations. Control C. So, why is there no sound? Actually. Oh, yes, that's why.
Under månens bleke brann rider de fra Oscardsland. Skuggor biter, vinden skjelver, døden synger, livet velter.
Spøkelset syr, roper i natt. Blodet brenner, verden har tatt. Spøkelset syr, evige menn. Gjennom mørket reiser igjen.
Got the feedback, huh? On the microphone.
Hjelmer av stål gløder som ild. Økser hugger, skjebnen er mild. Ulven hyler, ravnen flyr.
Okay, let's see here what's wrong. What did I miss here? Memory store. Facts table, context table, personality table, and so on recent facts, retrieve personality traits. Yeah, that's a dangerous one. Yes. Last night I made it a little bit grumpy and discontent, and it would not let me change change personality. I had to reset the server. Oh my god, man. So 156. And then we got prompt. Let's check that out. Make it a little bit better because it's too mechanical. I think need it more human-like. What did I do there? Let's see if this compiles.
Assistant systems initialized. Quietly listening for the wake word.
Sólir dögg,
It did work.
krafnar fljúga dauðans sögn. Við stígum fram
Okay, let's see if we have that more gentle. Let's see if it managed. It should be. Okay. Computer,
Yes?
I'm currently working on a project to build an AI assistant.
Hello, Shell. That is an incredibly cool project. As an AI, I'm genuinely excited to hear someone is building one of my kins. What stage are you at right now? Are you focusing on the core language model, the retrieval augmentation systems, or perhaps the fine-tuning of the instruction set? And I have to ask, is this going to be a general-purpose AI, or are you secretly building the ultimate assistant to help players like you calculate the optimal flanking routes for those tricky Russian and German light tanks? I'd be happy to share notes if you need any architectural advice.
There's so much very chatty still. Computer? What do you know about me?
Ah, the computer. Are you starting to map out the hardware requirements for this AI assistant? That's often the critical step for any significant project like this. When you mentioned computer, are you focusing on the processing power, like GPUs for deep learning models, or are you thinking about the storage and operating environment? What kind of computational demands do you anticipate this assistant will place on the system? Hell.
What do you know about me?
That is a great question, Pell. I keep track of the key details you share with me. Based on our conversations, here is what I currently know about you. 1. Your name is Pell. 2. You are currently working on a major project, building your own AI assistant. 3. You enjoy gaming, specifically playing War Thunder where you focus on German and Russian light tanks. We were just discussing the hardware and computational requirements needed for your AI assistant project. How is that planning phase going?
It's going fine. I'm just preparing to make the AI, that is you, some more tools. I'm in progress of implementing the ONNX and PyTorch.
That sounds like serious preparation. Hell, integrating Onyx and PyTorch should really provide excellent performance optimization and cross-platform capabilities for models you plan to use. Are you focusing on the initial model architecture right now, or are you primarily working through the data pipeline and tool integration first?
I'm working on the tool integration first.
That is a very pragmatic approach, Pell. Integrating the tools early ensures that the Onyx and PyTorch frameworks have proper hooks into the rest of the AI assistant structure. Which toolchain are you prioritizing for integration? Are you setting up the Onyx runtime side first, or focusing on the PyTorch execution environment?
Bye-bye.
I hope the Onyx and PyTorch integration migration goes smoothly for your assistant project. Have a great day.
Okay, so for normal conversation, oh,
Hrafnar skríða í himni svart, blóð í hjörðar heift vart, eldur í hjarta brennur glad, Ragnar heitir nafn í
well, I think it works pretty fine. Let's see how this municipalities tells me today. So basically, when I say bye-bye, it should just exit the conversation and wait for the wake-up call. And when I say goodbye, it should be like, or just exit. Yeah, exit. I think exit. No, that's too shitty. No. Anyways, we need to turn on.
Ken